Hey guys, so on October 6th, the Google Pixel 7 series will make their debut worldwide. The design of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro were already made public by the tech giant at the previous I/O event, so we know how they look. But little is known about the internals of the two phones, with the exception of the new Tensor chip and some alleged specs that has been making rounds on the internet. Well, let's start with the Geekbench benchmark, as this will let us know the most important aspect of the phone, the processor. Android developer Kuba took to Twitter to confirm the scores and configuration of the Pixel 7 Pro's Tensor G2 chipset. According to him, the CPU will come in 2+2+4 configuration with 2 Cortex-X1 cores, 2 Cortex-A76 cores and 4 Cortex-A55 cores, all with slightly higher clock speeds. In simple words, the Tensor G2 utilizes an identical but slightly overclocked set of cores from its predecessor. If we take a look at the benchmark scores, the Pixel 7 Pro outperforms its predecessor by approximately 7%, but the main improvement can be seen in the GPU performance with Mali G710. This is the same GPU utilized in Dimensity 9000, so you know it's pretty powerful. For reference, ARM claims that its machine learning capabilities are 35% better and that its GPU performs 20% better than G78 GPU. Additionally, the Google Tensor is manufactured on a 4nm technology, meaning it's much more power efficient. Moving on from the processor, the listing shows that the Pixel 7 Pro will likely feature 12GB of RAM, just like the Pixel 6 Pro. As for display, it is expected to feature a Quad HD Plus LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. About the cameras, the phone will feature a triple camera setup on the back. That may include a 50MP main camera, that is Samsung GN1, and a 13MP ultra-wide camera, and a 48MP telephoto camera. All these cameras will capture high-quality images, and so will be the massive file size. That brings us to the storage. Retailer data spotted by WinFuture via Roland Quant on Twitter indicates both the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will come in two storage capacities, 128 and 256GB, so no 512GB inside. Finally, it may also come packed with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast wired charging, and the smartphone was also spotted running Android 13 out of the box. So that's it for this video, hope it was helpful and catch you in the next one.